If you want to customize the lock screen on Google Pixel 10a, you just have to open Settings on your phone. Now over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to the Wallpaper and Style. In here you should be able to find the preview of your lock screen. So what you can do is you can, for example, choose one of these wallpaper options. You can also tap on more wallpapers in order to find exactly that. If you swipe up from the bottom, you can see the clock personalization, so you can choose a different clock face, for example. You can adjust its color and the size. Besides that, let's actually discard that, we can also manage shortcuts on lock screen, which are on the bottom left and the bottom right corner. There we go. So if you wish to have a quick access to something on the lock screen, then of course you can set them up in here. Or if you want to, you can turn them off as well. But besides that, we also have the notifications on lock screen, so you can edit how or if they should be displayed. And also we have more lock screen settings in here that are related to some of the motion and gesture features, such as the tap to check phone, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. You can also add the text on the lock screen. You can enable device controls on the lock screen. You can toggle dynamic clock. You can also find the now playing setting. And we can also find widgets on lock screen, so we can turn it on over here, and then you should be able to access your widgets in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.